Good morning, dear students. I am teaching chapter 10 respiration in organisms. And yesterday I told you about the how does air move in and out of your lungs, and during inhalation, breathing in, uh, two things happen. Yesterday I told you, and the ribs move up and outwards, and the diaphragm moves down. And in the exhalation, two things happen: the ribs move downwards and inwards, and the diaphragm moves out up. Now activity 10.4, activity 10.4, to demonstrate how diaphragm in the body helps in the process of breathing in and out of the air. So you require two glass bell jars. You can see in the diagram two glass bell jars and two Y-shaped glass tubes. Two Y-shaped glass tubes you can see in the diagram, and two rubber corks, two thin rubber sheets, and a piece of string, as you can see in the diagram. Fix up the Y-shaped glass tube with the balloon in the bell jar as shown in the figure 10.5. You can see like this, and tie the thin rubber sheets around the bottom of the bell jar with strings. And this setup is comparable to the respiratory system in man, and the bell jar is equivalent to the chest cavity and the balloons to the lungs, and the rubber sheet represents the diaphragm. And now pull the rubber sheets down, the space in the jar increases and the balloon get inflated, figure 10.5. And when the rubber sheet is released, the balloons collapse, as you can see in the diagram. And this is the way we inhale and exhale air, with the help of movement of the diaphragm, as you can see in the diagram. And what do we breathe out? Let us perform activity 10.5, 10.6 to know that about what happens during in exhalation. And the inhaled and exhaled air differ in the percentage of oxygen and carbon dioxide. Oxygen in table you can see that composition of inhaled and exhaled air. Oxygen 21, inhaled 21%, and exhaled air 16.4%. And carbon dioxide 0.04% and 4.4%. Water vapor variable saturated. And activity 10.5, to show that carbon dioxide is given out during breathing. It can be very simply demonstrated by taking a beaker with lime water and breathing out into the beaker. What happens? Lime water will turn milky. And explain the result. Carbon dioxide turns lime water milky. To show that carbon dioxide is given out during breathing, it can be very simply demonstrated by taking a beaker with lime water and breathing out into the beaker. What happens? You will see that lime water will turn milky, and this explain the results. Carbon dioxide turns lime water milky. Why it is milky? Because carbon dioxide turns milky in color. Activity 10.6, breathe out some air from your mouth on a clean mirror. What do you observe? It becomes cloudy, and you may even find some tiny water droplets on the mirror. Can you explain this? Now breathing in other organisms. And first one is the in amoeba. Amoeba This is the diagram of amoeba. Diffusion in amoeba. In amoeba, for example, breathing occurs by simple diffusion process. Breathing occurs by simple diffusion process, and hydra also breathe through the body surface. And second one is the cockroaches. First one is the amoeba, second one is the cockroaches. As you see in the diagram, spiracles are there. Spiracles clearly visible in the diagram. Spiracles you can see on the body surface. So in cockroaches and other insects, movement of skeleton draws air in and out of the openings called the spiracles, and these openings are present on the body surface, and are connected internally with a network of branched air tube trachea and their branched tracheoles, and oxygen rich air enters through the spiracles into tracheal tubes and diffuses into the body tissue and reaches every cell of the body. Similarly, carbon dioxide from the cells goes into the tracheal tubes and moves out through the spiracles. And next one is the fish. So in this spiracle, through the breathing through the spiracles. Next one is the fish. This is the scales, eye, mouth, this is the gills, and in fish and many other aquatic animals have a special structure, that is the gills. Gills you can see in the diagram, and dissolved oxygen is used from the water entering, and the gills are well supplied with blood vessels for exchange of gases, and a earthworm. Next one is the, in this fish, breathing system through the gills, and in earthworm. Earthworm earthworm, as you can see in the diagram, earthworm. Earthworm absorb the atmospheric oxygen. Earthworm absorb the atmospheric oxygen through their moist skin. And now come to the frogs. Frogs, when in water, breathe out their moist skin. Frogs on land breathe out through their nostrils. When it is on land, breathe through their nostril and have a pair of lungs like the human beings, and we breathe out our lungs. Movement of the ribs and diaphragm help to draw air in and out of our lungs through nose. Do plants also respire? As mentioned above, the process of respiration is similar in all organisms, whether plants or animals. Carbon dioxide is given out and oxygen is used up, and a lot of energy is produced. How can you prove it in case of plants? Let us perform activities 10.7 and 10.8. Activity 10.7. To show that carbon dioxide is produced during respiration. To show that carbon dioxide is produced during respiration, what do you need? Germinating activity is the carbon dioxide is produced during respiration. Germinating seeds and a flattened flask, flat bottomed flask, you can see in the diagram. Rubber cork with 2 holes and a twice bent glass tube, and crystal funnel, lime water to be prepared fresh, test tube, water. How to do the test? How you have to do the test? This is the materials required for doing test. Keep some germinating seeds in a flat bottomed flask here and plug it with a rubber cork. And what you will do? Then in one hole introduce a crystal funnel, this crystal funnel, and in the second hole insert a twice bent glass tube. See that the stop cork is closed, and place the free end of the glass tube inside the glass test tube containing water and leave the setup for about an hour. This is the materials required, and leave the setup for an hour, and then what you will see, then replace the test tube containing water and water with another test tube containing lime water. Open the stop cork after some time. Then what you will see that put water from the crystal funnel into the flask, filling it almost completely, and this will force the air present in the flask to enter the test tube containing lime water. What do you observe? Lime water turns milky. In this activity, last you will see that lime water turns milky, and what do you conclude? Germinating seeds produce carbon dioxide during respiration. These germinating seeds produce carbon dioxide during respiration, and this activity can also be done by using a potted green plant and keeping it in a inverted bell jar. Rest of the activity can be performed in the same manner as in case of germinating seeds. So this is all about breathing system, and this chapter till here what I taught till activity 10.7. activities also you have to read, because activity can also come in exam. So activity also you have to read it properly, and till activity 10.7 you have to read properly.